First, the intention was to start with okra and then pepper, but then due to some reasons we had to switch to cabbage. We realized that the students in agriculture need more of practical training, so we as an association could also help that in this way, giving them some practical training. So in the course of the semester, students actually come here to help us in the processes, that's the farm processes that we go through to grow these cabbage stuff. Yeah, so after the transplant, I can say we had over 95 to 98% viability, and then it's actually doing well. And then we are getting the expected harvest because we went through the necessary post-harvest practices, what is needed to, and then realized that some of them has actually matured before some of them. This is because some of them died, and then we had to replace some with other transplants. Yeah, so we started with nursery, and then we transplanted, and then this is the yield. And this is our very first project, so we started with half an acre. We've projected for 5 years now, so we're expecting that in the next 5 years it should have expanded, and then the administrations that will succeed us should also continue. But then they wouldn't just continue on this farm, but then they would expand to other areas and then include more other vegetables, so as to bring varieties of vegetables around, and so that we will get more students involved.
Now that this way has been established, I'll be collaborating with my predecessors so I can continue and make it a successful one. And luckily for me, they are all in fourth year. They'll be here during my time of office, and they will be here to support me. I've spoken with them, and they'll give me their full support. This has become a legacy project. So firstly, I will continue with the cabbage. Since it's a farm, and as a grade student, you're supposed to have a practical aspect of what we are learning at the lecture room. So I will continue with the cabbage, and I'll add some carrots and some other vegetables to it concerning the family. But I have another project that I intend to do during my office.